Welcome to DataReveal AI, where innovation and transformation come together. We specialize in humanoid robots, SAP Gen AI integration, supply chain solutions, IoT, sensors, drones, and much more. Our cutting-edge Gen AI solutions are designed to streamline operations, enhance decision-making, and drive business success. We offer a comprehensive suite of services that help businesses transform through the power of technology. Humanoid robots integrated with Gen AI, IoT, and computer vision for next-gen automation and intelligent interactions. SAP Gen AI integration for seamless, data-driven decision-making across your enterprise. Advanced supply chain solutions that use Gen AI, IoT, and drones to optimize your logistics and improve efficiency. Multi-agentic systems that enhance customer service, manufacturing processes, and more, using intelligent, connected technologies. We're also at the forefront of agricultural innovation. At our incubation center in Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, we're working on transformative projects like crop disease prediction and forest fire detection using drones. Our Gen AI Audit Helper streamlines automated invoice processing, offers structured data storage, and improves audit compliance. With intelligent query handling powered by RAG, it provides real-time business decision support, ensuring a seamless audit process. Our Gen AI multi-agentic call center integrates multi-agent systems to elevate customer service, driving intelligent customer interactions, offering faster and more personalized responses. SAP HANA Adapter, powered by Gen AI, revolutionizes data extraction, asset management, and cost-benefit analysis. We also track support tickets and manage change requests with ease, providing comprehensive control over your data and IT services. Our financial tool simplifies variance analysis, empowering CFOs to instantly understand the causes of financial gaps. With Gen AI, it helps you explore sales, revenue, and forecast discrepancies across departments, stores, and product categories, offering clear, actionable insights. What sets us apart is our ability to integrate Gen AI, IoT, sensors, drones, and computer vision into a single multi-agentic ecosystem. From supply chain management to intelligent robots and automated processes, we provide a holistic approach to digital transformation that connects everything for maximum impact. At DataReveal AI, we're not just about technology, we're about transformation. Whether you're looking to integrate SAP Gen AI, improve supply chain efficiency, automate customer service with humanoid robots, or unlock new insights with Gen AI, we're your trusted partner in driving innovation and success. Join the future of business transformation. DataReveal AI, where technology meets innovation.